So just a quick update. I said I was going to automate the CamVac motors and have done so, the switching of them at least. I've done that with the help of my great friend Michael, who as an immunologist is the best electrical engineer I know. Anyway, we've come up with a solution, or he's come up with a solution, and we've implemented it together where we're using a Shelly 1 power monitor PM smart relay to switch a soft start filter that's connected to CamVac motor. We've got one Shelly PM, one PM and soft start in this box, and another Shelly 1 PM and a soft start filter in this box. I 3D printed these boxes. They're designed to fit into the rocker switch. The rocker switch is an Arco Electric 1353. That's a high inrush current switch, and that's because when you switch these motors on, there is indeed a high inrush current. Now if you were to connect that to a smart relay, that level of current inrush would end up with contact welding in it. So that's why we use the Shelly 1 to switch the soft start. You could have it switching a contactor, but in this case I think the soft start is a little bit more elegant. And so if I show you how that works, here's the Shelly app, and if I turn them on, I think you can hear it's a much more elegant startup, and well, the startup is just, it's a soft start as the name suggests. Anyway, with that I can safely put these away in the corner cupboard, out of the way, and noise isolated, save some floor space in my workshop. This is not an instructional video, it's just sharing what I've done. I will make the boxes available on my Maker World site. I'll put a link in the video description. One more step towards an automated and very user-friendly workshop. Talk to you soon.